Chronic pain can feel like an endless battle. But what if there were natural ways to ease the discomfort without just relying on pills? Let's talk about holistic therapies, treatments that heal the body and mind together. These methods don't just mask pain, they help your body heal from within. First, acupuncture. Tiny needles stimulate your body's natural painkillers, helping with back pain, migraines, and even arthritis. Next, yoga. Slow, mindful movements improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Even 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Don't forget about anti-inflammatory foods. Turmeric, ginger, and omega-3s can help calm pain from the inside. Stress makes pain worse. Meditation and deep breathing can lower tension, giving your body a chance to relax and heal. Massage therapy isn't just a luxury. It increases blood flow, eases muscle knots, and helps with conditions like fibromyalgia. Simple home remedies matter too. Warm baths with Epsom salts relax muscles and reduce inflammation. Physical therapy strengthens weak areas, preventing future pain. Even small movements add up. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Small, consistent steps can lead to big relief. Ready to take control? Pick one or two of these therapies and start today. Your body knows how to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right support. You've got this.